It is currently 1:44, and yeah, I'm back, guys. I know I took a little break, but now I have some time to actually make some videos pretty soon. So I'm just getting ready for the future, I guess you can say. But today we have something special. It's this. Some of you may know by the timing of this video, but I actually I actually got the exclusive access to those dunks, the off-white dunks. And if you guys don't know or never heard of it, it goes something like this. They have like 1 through 50 like lot numbers, or I guess you could say colorways, I'm not sure. And if you get exclusive access during this week, you're sent a random 1 through 50. And yeah, I haven't even opened the box yet. I'm curious what it is as well. So I guess we're gonna find out together. I'm kind of holding the camera right now with my hands. I don't have a stand because it's been a long time since I've done YouTube, and I feel sorry for that. But anyways, I'm gonna stop wasting your time. I'm gonna get this package open, and we'll see which one we got. So I already started opening it, and you can actually kind of see the numbers there. And I've already seen pictures of people getting it, and they have like a check mark on them. So I'm gonna go to the other side and open it, so I don't know. Alright, well, got the box out of the way. First impression, the box is very unique. I thought these were like cut-in holes, but they're actually like they're sealed. Anyways, let's see what lot number I got. No freaking way, dude. I actually got number 1. What the fuck? I mean, excuse my language, but what? Dude, I actually got number 1. Hold up. Alright, cheese fucking box. Cheese box. Paper's nice. There's actually no way I got 1. Yo, what? Yo, I've never been lucky on sneakers or anything. I swear to God, I just did my diligence and like watched this dumbass videos and participated because I actually wanted to. But what? I actually got lot number 1. I actually got lot number 1. This is insane. I told myself that if I got like the other ones, I would kind of sell it because I mean, they're just like plain dunks with like the crazy laces. But man, 1, I was like, I doubt I'll get 1, and I actually got it. What the? This is a Pogu moment, guys. There's the other pair. I don't mean to show off or like brag, but man, this is actually insane. I never thought I would get number 1. There's some glue stains. But yeah, there's some glue stains. And yes, guys, this is actually from Nike. And I can't believe they actually blessed me with the number 1 pair. Take a look at the cheese grater box again. Pretty cool. Sorry if the lighting's bad. It is like almost 2 a.m. in the morning. But holy crap, I actually got lot number 1, because I heard like people were like saying you can see what colorways you got, and it'll show you like the colorways of your laces or your hang tag or whatever this thing is called. It'll like tell you on the order confirmation, like violet or volt or whatever. But mine just said white, and they said that it just says white or sale after they changed it because they were figuring it out, and they were like, oh, we gotta change it. So oh yeah, I mean, I actually got number 1. It was either 1 through 50, or wait, it was either 1 or 50, or there was like this one with navy laces, and I like the color navy. So I mean, there's that, I guess. I mean, I don't know what to say. I'm kind of like shocked that I actually got pair number 1. These are definitely a keeper now. I'm gonna say cheese. Anyways, we got something else also. I'm not sure if you guys are interested though. Give me a second. Another box today that came in. These are just some Yeezys that I bought. I was just really curious on how they look. I think they're the Quantums, and I like the shape of the Quantum ever since. So I mean, since I'm already here anyways, let me just unbox these real quick. So see you on the next slide. All right, so yeah, you see Quantum. It's actually a huge box. So we'll try getting it open real quick. I did get these on Goat. used because I ain't paying resale for that much. And yeah, I mean, they're pretty clean. I like them. Ever since the first one came out, I don't know what it's called, but I forgot the colorway, but it looks nice. Look at it, man. Not bad. It's clean, used. It's barely used. Bottoms are really clean. So yeah, I mean, if you against used shoes, I guess, I don't know. Don't be, because some of them you can find some gems. And yeah, I mean, I'll tell you what, they're kind of heavy though. They're actually really heavy. But I think that's it for today, guys. Expect more videos. I do have a lot of shoes in my collection that since last time I uploaded. Oops. If I just walk over, you can kind of see sneak peek, whatever. But yeah, there's a lot coming. We'll have more time. I'm just kind of still surprised that I actually got lot 1. You know, my emotions might not be shown in that moment, but I'm really a kind of a emotionless guy when it comes to these stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. I'll probably just I don't know, continue with YouTube. I enjoy it a lot anyways. It's like a little escape. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll do one more glimpse of this beauty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I don't like that tongue though. I really don't like that tongue. But I'm not complaining. Alright guys. See you on the next one. Peace.